practicing the puzzles. Puzzles improve the students' vocabulary. When we try to make any word start or end, here are some supplementary material. Puzzles, meaningful words. Make puzzles and make meaningful words, just like as months, year, month's name, week's name, the fruit's name, and the flower's name. You have find out by yourself in these kinds of chart and flashcard. Here is a card. You have to make word to use of A in beginning or in middle and anywhere. You have to use a word when you will make any word. Here are BAD, bad. It's a nice example. Bad, RAT, rat, ANT, ant, DAS, like this, CAT, cat. So various kinds of words you have to find out in this card, like this. Boys and girls are making and struck the words here, just like that. Now, one by one, student will read their charts. They find out the words from it. Here, Aisha, stand up you first and show me your card. This is Aisha's card. And would you like to read the words?
Elephant, cow, dog, goat, fox, deer, lion, yak, buffalo, tiger.
Yes, it's a animal's name. It's a activity of animals. Find out the animal's name. Nice, well done. Now next, you will stand. Do you want to read? So read aloud.
Elephant, cow, dog, tiger, buffalo, goat, fox, deer, lion, yak.
Yes, you also done very well. Sit down. You will stay. Here are some puzzles of flowers, and this Yasmin has find out the flower's name, and she will read one by one. Start now.
Rose, lotus, marigold, jasmine, sunflower, tulip,
Yes.
hibiscus.
Here is a puzzle of meaningful words using O. So here Asifa make and find out many words. She will read.
TOP, top, BOLT, bold, GOLT, gold, DOT, dot, NO, note, BOLT, dot, DOG, dog, Kyoto.
Here is Nazia reading months in a year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Year. Nice. Masira. Yes. Start now meaningful words using you. Masira, make few words using by you. So Masira will read one by one word.
Cup, mug, dog, girl, nut, munch. Chiku, lemon, apple, banana, muskmelon.
Muskmelon. Here is Ayan. Ayan's puzzles day in week. So Ayan, will you read?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday.
Saturday.
Soundless. Here is Rehan. Rehan, will you show me your chart? Here is a puzzles. Here is a puzzles of vehicles. You find out the words of vehicle name.
Bus, motorbike, aeroplanes, boat, rickshaw, car, truck, scooter.
Show me your card.